Banners are a great way to add some art to the walls. They're great for making room personalizations, and best of all, they act like sound insulators to reduce reverb. Hey guys, I'm Clark King, and in this video, I'm going to show you a great way of making one for yourself and bringing the color to the room. All you're gonna need for this build is your basic tools that I use in every video and 3 pieces of felt cloth, 2 of which are darker color and the other a lighter color. For this, I'll use green, and you're also gonna need some black cloth as well. I want mine to have a triangle edge, so let's do that first. First, take the staples at the back of the darker felt to get the price tag removed. This isn't really hard or painful, so you'll be just fine. Next, fold the cloth in half to make a crease on one side so you can find the middle. What's gonna happen now is that we're gonna cut the cloth in a 45-degree angle on one edge. To get the 45-degree angle, measure the distance of the corner to the middle and create a line from that corner up. Align the line you drew and the middle line to make the triangle edge. All that's left to do is to cut it. Scissors will do great rather than a cutter, so keep that in mind. Do that for both darker felt and you're on your way to creating the design. I think I'll go for a fiery design with the lighter cloth, but I need to use it for both banners. I'll just cut it in half for it to go on the bottom sides of the banners. First, I'll just cut it in half and I'll draw the design. Before drawing though, I need to get the corners cut so they can fit the pointed bottoms. That's pretty self-explanatory, so I won't go into detail. Next, it's time to draw the fire, but I'm sure you guys have plans of your own, so I won't show how I drew it, but I will tell you in detail how it worked. First, I cut the basic upper fire. It's obvious how I did that, but the holes are made by piercing a cutter into the specific part of the felt and just finishing it with the scissors. By the way, the extra things you see on the top, don't throw those away just yet. I use those to make tongues of fire to give it more realistics. All of these I just glued with a glue gun instead of sewing because felt is not stretchy, meaning if you sew and make a mistake, a hole will mess with you. You can make any design you want, it doesn't have to follow me. Get creative and start exploring. If you want to find a good idea for a creative figure, just tap the eye icon on the top right corner of the screen for the video I created that might trigger some of that. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Time to make some upper design. I think I should add some bar-like connection that just gives it more of a 3D look than a simple piece of cloth hanging on the wall. All I did was fold the felt 1 inch and cut 4 of those strips. Now I just glued that to the top part of the felt and that signals that you're done. The only thing left to do is to mount it. There are many ways you can mount it, but I chose to use tack it. It's basically clay that's really sticky and it's used for mounting most stuff. You can find this at any bookstore, but I found mine at Office Warehouse. Just place the tacket behind the back strips and press it against the wall. It sticks with no necessary tape. In addition to this, you can always remove it and place it back on the wall with no need to worry. So I highly recommend it. Now you can enjoy the vision of your desk from your own seat and be proud of it. It was made by you after all. Before you leave though, I just want to point something out. I don't mean any harm to other YouTubers, but if you know the King of Random, you should have realized the plaque behind Nate's head. I don't know about you, but that looks a lot like my first crafting video of a custom plaque. That's all I guess. Grant, if you're watching this, sorry if I started any fight. I just want to clear some stuff. If you do want to see that first video, click the video on the top. The bottom one will lead you to my previous video. Thank you guys for watching and welcome to the kingdom.